Hi. Today I'll show you guys how to use um Corona IES Lite in 3ds Max. So to begin, I have a scene here in 3ds Max that I have imported. So to begin with, we can see that there's an light icon here. So just click on it and click down. Corona itself provides its own light. I think same as Vive as well. So just click on Corona light. In the Corona light option, you will get like different shapes of lights. Like you can have sphere, rectangle, or disc or cylinder. But for this, we will just use a sphere. So as we can see that this scene we have a downlight um on above the ceiling. So we would create a sphere. So before that, we would want the sphere just unclick this visible directly. So when it renders out, when the sphere is rendering out, it wouldn't see the sphere. And just make sure the sphere is underneath the downlight. Then you would go to modification and just make sure to check the IES light on the sphere. So once you just click on the IES, um so in Corona it provides all these different IES lights that you can use for your projects. You could also download like a different bunch of IES light package online that I think you can get. Will be using my own IES light that I have downloaded online. Um, so to show you guys the effect on the right side of the viewport, we can see that after adding the sphere light, it is something like this, which is very bright and the light is not like distorted. So you can see like one patch of white color light like this. So I will try to use my own IES light and see how it will look like after adding the IES light. So we can see that after adding the IES light, we will have a smooth um lighting instead of one patch of just white light under the downlight. So we can play like different more IES like this, or you can also use the Corona IES like that has provided. So based on the IES that you use, we can create like different um light focus uh, on a certain object for it. So yeah, I think that's it for this. Thank you.